Hey, welcome back to WinCode Partner. In yesterday's video, we discussed the topic of dictionary attacks. If you haven't watched that, make sure to check it out. Today, we are going to move forward and explain brute force attacks with a practical demonstration using Hashcat. So, before jumping into the terminal, let's understand what a brute force attack is. A brute force attack is the most straightforward way to crack a password by trying every possible combination until the correct one is found. It can target encrypted files, login credentials, or hashed passwords. Modern brute force attacks often target password hashes like MD5, SHA-1, and more powerful tool for ethical hackers and security researchers. For this demo, we'll be using a Kali Linux or Parrot OS system with Hashcat installed. You can use a virtual machine or a bare metal setup, whichever works best for you. First, check if Hashcat is already installed on your system by running the command hashcat help. If you don't see the help section of Hashcat, that means it's not installed. To install Hashcat on your Linux system, use the command apt install hashtag. After installation, we need a hash to crack the password using brute force. This attack is different from other password attacks because it includes more advanced techniques like mask attacks. In this case, you do not need to create a word list or use any default word list at all. For this example, we are going to use an MD5 hash of the password admin123. This password is a combination of a capital letter A, lowercase letters D, N, I, N, and numbers 1, 2, 3. We'll use brute force to crack this hash using Hashcat. Now, let me explain some important parts of the Hashcat command you need to remember. N0, this option defines the hash type as MD5. We already discussed this in yesterday's video. This option sets the attack mode to brute force. This represents lowercase letters. You can also combine other options like U for uppercase, D for digits, S for special characters. In this demo, I'm going to use a specific charset pattern to match the structure of the password admin123. I will now start the brute force attack based on that. You can create your own custom charset style depending on the password information you have. Just remember, the more accurate your charset and length pattern, the faster the cracking. If you have any doubts about the charset or command structure, feel free to mention them in the comments. We're always ready to help you understand and master Hashcat. After some time, Hashcat will crack the password. To reveal the cracked password in the terminal, use the following show command. This will display the hash and the corresponding cracked password. In our case, the cracked password is admin123. That's it for today's practical session on brute force attacks using Hashcat. Make sure to follow WinCode Partner for more ethical hacking tutorials, cybersecurity knowledge, and content that can help you build a strong career in this field. Subscribe, share with your friends, and stay tuned for the next hands-on hacking video.